Experiencing issues with your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II? You're not alone. As of August 2025, many users face common technical problems that can often be resolved through proper reset procedures. The most frequent issues include Bluetooth pairing failures, especially with newer devices running iOS 17 and Android 14. Users also experience charging case connectivity problems, inconsistent battery drain between earbuds, and audio latency issues. Reset procedures are effective because the QuietComfort Earbuds II operate on a dual-chip system. The primary chip handles audio processing and noise cancellation, while the secondary chip manages Bluetooth connectivity and battery optimization. Different reset types target different aspects of this system. There are three main types of reset procedures available for the QuietComfort Earbuds II, each designed to address different categories of problems. The soft reset is a basic restart that resolves minor connectivity glitches with a 70% success rate. The factory reset provides a complete system restore, erasing all paired device information and addresses persistent problems with a 90% success rate. The charging case reset specifically fixes case-related charging and LED indicator problems with an 85% success rate. Understanding which reset type to use depends on your specific problem. Minor connectivity issues typically require only a soft reset, while persistent pairing problems or charging inconsistencies may need a factory reset or charging case reset, respectively. When combined properly, these reset approaches achieve a 96% success rate for resolving common QuietComfort Earbuds II issues. The key is selecting the right reset type for your specific problem. There are three different types of resets you can perform on your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II, each designed to solve specific problems with varying success rates. The soft reset is the simplest procedure and should be your first troubleshooting step. It resolves about 70% of minor connectivity glitches. The factory reset is more powerful and addresses persistent pairing and charging problems. This procedure will erase all paired device information, so you'll need to reconnect your devices afterward. The charging case reset specifically targets case-related problems like charging failures and LED indicator issues. This procedure has an 85% success rate for charging-related problems. Regular maintenance can prevent many issues before they occur. Performing a soft reset monthly and a charging case reset quarterly can significantly reduce the need for troubleshooting resets. Remember these success rates when choosing your reset approach. Start with a soft reset for minor issues, escalate to factory reset for persistent problems, and use case reset for charging issues. A systematic approach combining these methods achieves a 96% success rate.